How to fix can't install Snapchat from Google Play Store. So if you want to fix can't install Snapchat from Google Play Store, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Google Play Store application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will not be able to download or install it. And once you're on the Play Store, go for the upper right, which has that profile option, and then you need to go for settings. Under settings here, you will have network preferences. Tap on it, and under the network preferences, you will have three options, right? So under that, what you need to do is app download preference. So tap on it, and under that, you need to tap on ask me every time. So change that to the third option, and then again tap on over any network and tap on OK. And now you need to go back and you need to open up your settings. Open up your settings on your device, scroll down and go for apps. Under apps, you need to go for see all apps and open up your Google Play Store application. And once you open your Google Play Store on your settings, now you need to tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache and your problem will be fixed. You can also go for clear storage and then you can delete all of the storage, but if you don't want to delete the permanent files, then simply tap on cancel and just go for clear cache and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix can't install Snapchat from Google Play Store, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.